As one of the most influential and widely used social media platforms in the world, TikTok features short video sharing, allowing users to create and share 60-second videos on any topic. While it offers the networked public sphere as same as traditional social media such as Facebook and Twitter, they have different logic for engaging and dictating user behavior. My video project focuses on how TikTok provides people with an established set of content and formats that inspire interest in copying and sharing to diffuse and spread a communal sense of joy. More specifically, some classic sound or animation effects are extracted and edited into a variety of templates available to any creator, rising to a form of communication that can be understood by all. Therefore, even though users may not know each other, they can share emotions and become part of trends by browsing and making content in a similar style, copying TikTok challenges, performing choruses together, or other TikTok-specific functions. This project was largely inspired by two articles. By analyzing TikTok's digital structure and core operation mechanism, Diana and David believe that TikTok extends the concept of internet memes to the level of platform infrastructure. In other words, TikTok is thought to prioritize content consumption that facilitates imitation over making connections with specific friends. As Diana and David's exploration of the potential for mimicry embedded in TikTok is heavily cited, I will pay particular attention to their deconstruction of the role of TikTok's page design and iconographic functionality. This helps me analyze how users are drawn to actively adapt to these designs. Meanwhile, Andreas is also concerned about various communicative forms on TikTok, arguing that TikTok has been molded into a meme breeding ground. But he goes further, suggesting that the entertainment and comedy undertone of much of TikTok's content is considered a key reason for the platform's popularity, and examining how everyday material is extracted to give comedic meaning. This inspired me to analyze why TikTok's replicative creation is attractive from the perspective of audio-visual effects and the themes included in the content creation.
For starters, TikTok's tendency to attract user imitation can be seen on its registration page. When users join TikTok, their first step is to be directed to select specific interest topics such as music, food, beauty, art, etc. These initial queries inform TikTok's sophisticated artificial intelligence algorithms of the types of video content each user finds particularly appealing, allowing TikTok to speculate on what content is more replaceable for its audience, thus supporting them to continue to receive personalized video recommendations at a later date. As a result, TikTok's default page is titled For You and includes videos that the platform's algorithms believe match each user's interests and engagement habits. In the bottom right corner of almost every video, there is a sound icon like a record player, whose function is to extract any sound elements from the video, such as songs, lines from movies, and users' original voices. When users click on the sound icon, they are redirected to a new screen containing all the videos made with a certain sound. In other words, a specific sound is abstracted into a meme that can be used and imitated over and over again. If other users create their own videos using a sound meme, their videos will be automatically included in the content collection for that sound. Similarly, there are hundreds of video effects on TikTok, such as green screen, sparkles, rainbow, coloring, face stretching, etc. to help users in video creation. Users can individually click on different effects to add them, or they can simply copy an effect that another user has already applied to their video. Like the sound icon, specific clip effects are extracted from existing videos that ensures users to copy repeatedly, which in turn makes them more popular and easier for other users to see and use. Under TikTok's digital structure based on imitative logic, whether it's duets, viral dances, or other types of challenge videos, the vast majority of users' video content depicts similar experiences using the same sound or effects, extending someone else's video model to fit into a particular trend or community.
While the types of videos on TikTok can be varied, its highlighting of entertainment and comedy is thought to be the main reason for its popularity. It is easier for users to add humor to anything and turn it into a trend than a narrative type or an illustrative type of video. On TikTok, a plethora of comedy montage formats have been created, setting the scenes, paces and turning points of the jokes to guide viewers to a specific sense of comedy. Some visual effects, such as dramatically zooming in on the performer's facial expressions or Zoom meeting mishaps, became a delivery to emphasize the punchline for the audience. If a line or witticism in a video naturally elicits a laugh, it is also sensitively captured by TikTok's algorithm and set as a new comedic meme, which is repeatedly applied or responded to by new users for the videos they create. Certain funny sound effects or laughs are also created as audio elements designed to deliver responses or punchlines, where users will even organize the entire video content around these audios to control the pace and twists of the comedy more efficiently. Additionally, some typically humorous text annotations, as well as re-edited movie clips or other pop culture content, are increasingly being incorporated as part of the comedy modality. It can be said that people create a large number of homogeneous comic content through role-playing, imitation show, stand-up comedy and other forms, most of which follow the shooting style and rhythm provided by TikTok, thus making comedy become a symbol of TikTok and laying the overall atmosphere of the platform. In conclusion, the magic of TikTok's ability to continuously replicate and spread happiness factor lies in its strong emphasis on imitation as the main logic of video creation. People connect on this platform not by relying on interpersonal relationships, but through a common ritual of content imitation and replication repeatedly. All media are architecture. Media do not simply reflect external reality. Rather, they propose elaborate constructions that in turn construct reality. TikTok constructs itself as a modal breeding ground, influencing user engagement and creative interaction through interface design, layout, functionality, and overall flow. At the same time, as Marcel McLuhan says, each medium has its own grammar and unique aesthetic formula and codifies reality in its own unique way. TikTok becomes a medium platform that invites us to see the world in a particular way through its emphasis on mimetic functions and highlighting of comedic elements.